Hello guys, so this is how you can protect your home devices and your business endpoints against malware, ransomware, and any malicious websites and other advanced online threats. Just go to Google and search for Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes. This is how it is written, Malwarebytes. Then the first link, that is malwarebytes.com. You'll click on that first link. It will take you to the site. That's their site. You can see them displaying the free download. There's personal plans, there's the business plans. You can also request business trial. So we'll take the free download for now. Just click on the free download. It will then ask you to download and install the software. So that's what you're going to do. Let me just save it in the downloads folder. It's a small software actually. The setup is just 2.4 MB. So our app is done downloading. You can just install it. So just install the Malwarebytes. Can skip for now. So that's how you protect your devices against malware, the ransomware, and any other attacks. Simple way to protect your Windows PC or even Mac. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.